Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D. In today's video, we're going to be doing BoxyCharm for the month of April. So let's go ahead and see what's in here, y'all. Alrighty, I want to take a quick little second just to say hello to all of my new subscribers and hello again to all of my old subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it so much. So comment below saying hey and drop a video that you guys would like to see. I would love to cater my videos to you guys as well as making videos that I love. So let's go ahead and open up this BoxyCharm box though. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so here's the card for this month. It is Sweet Treats. Look how cute. Look at all the candy. Oh my gosh, you guys remember rock candy like this? Oh my god, I remember getting this on field trips and stuff. Oh, takes you back to being a kid. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and just take this little bubble wrap out and we're just going to follow the list down here. So the first thing is the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette, which is this box right here. So let's see what she looks like. Okay, she's a little neutral. She's neutral. She's kind of like on the, I don't know, like greenier, yellow ear like side of the spectrum. Like it's like browns and kind of green tones for sure, like browns and greens. Let's read what it says though. It says a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of sparkling metal green tourmaline. Hey, see, so I was right about the green. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with the na meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated, classy looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality of pure pigments, dazzling chrome crystals, and luminous pearls. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free, and allergen-free. This retails for $48. Now I do have another full size of her palettes, which I absolutely love. I think I have the full size Peak palette, and then I have the mini Lila palette, maybe. I think that's what it's called. It's like purples with a little gold one. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I really like this green shimmery color. Honestly, all these look like really fun. So let's see what else is in here. A Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Oh, that's a mouthful. All right, so this is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. This is silicone free and a cooling effect. Ooh, this retails for $32. It says this is going to lock in your looks in place and keep them cool with the Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I'm just gonna let's just take a peek and see what the packaging looks like. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this packaging with like the soft, kind of like soft frosted look. I like this. Oh, cute. Really excited to try this out. I love face primers. Love them, and especially a cooling one. Ooh, it's gonna feel really nice. Alrighty, so here I have the Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Mask. This is going to revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes with a powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect the skin and prevent from free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This clay-based mask draws out impurities while allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize your skin. This retails for $36. So this is what the little packaging does look like, and let's just take a peek at what she looks like as well. Okay, it's just a pretty simple little packaging, and it is a little pump. So definitely gonna like pump that out and put it all over your face. Ooh, fun. I'm really excited to be trying this out. I just love skincare, y'all. Skincare is so important because if you have good skincare, if you're taking care of your skin, your makeup is gonna go well and go much better on your skin, if that makes sense. Does that make sense what I'm trying to say? Skincare is the key to everything. It truly is. That and SPF, y'all. Did you put it on today? Go put it on. Alrighty, so next in the box is this Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. This is what this does look like. It has like little, oh my god, it has like a little eyelash on it. It has like bay leaves. Those are Birds of Paradise is what those are called. This is the full, I believe this is a full-size mascara. At least it looks like one to me. Let's read about it. It says, a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. The quick dry formula locks and curl while the custom petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. So this retails for $16. Alrighty, so the last thing in the box is the Monaco Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. This is what this does look like. 2 sets of tweezers. It looks like one's pointed and one's slanted. Okay, let's read about it first. It says, it's time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains 1 slanted tweezer for precise plucking and 1 pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. A long handle provides a more controlled tweeze. These retail for $18. I'm probably gonna put these in a giveaway at some point just because I am dedicated to my European Wax Center tweezers. Absolutely dedicated. I've had mine for 5 years and I've had no issues with them, so I can't complain, So I'll probably give these in a little giveaway. Comment below if you guys are ready for a giveaway. Just let me know, Alrighty, so that completes today's box, y'all. I am super excited to be trying out this Icy Primer and this Natasha Denona palette and this Vitamin C mask. Ooh, so excited for skincare, yes. Alright, well this completes today's video, guys. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.